I'm now going to talk about sleep-like states. So after a 90-minute learning bout, as I previously discussed, there are two options of techniques to use for your 20-minute rest that will consolidate what you have just learned. These are yoga nidra and mind drifts. So what is yoga nidra? It's a form of yogic meditation, which means yogic sleep. It's also called non-sleep deep rest, or Nsdr, that involves lying down, closing your eyes, breathing deep, and doing a full body scan. It requires you to place your focus on sensing specific areas of your body at one time. You can search for these on YouTube or meditation or sleep apps to be guided in this practice. Yoga Nidra is an ancient practice that actually has huge scientific backed benefits for initiating sleep in the evenings, reducing stress, anxiety, and depression, and for the importance of this discussion, enhancing neuroplasticity. In fact, a 20-minute Yoga Nidra after a bout of intense focus at skilled or cognitive learning accelerates plasticity by 50%. And your retention of information lasts longer. So what on earth is going on here? The opportunity for neuroplasticity is triggered by deliberate bouts of heavy focus. But the actual rewiring of neurons that makes what you learnt become reflexive takes place during periods of deep rest. So Yoga Nidra, or NSDR, works by slowing down your brainwave frequency to mimic a sleep-like state. The brainwaves during this time shift from active beta to alpha, then to the deep meditative state theta, and if properly done, you can then enter delta, which typically only occurs during slow wave sleep. Slow wave sleep is important because it's the period where the body rejuvenates and heals itself and releases a greater percentage of growth hormone, which plays a role in mental capacity. It's during this time that is closely associated with memory consolidation as neural pathways are strengthened. Now the other is mind drifts, which works similarly and is its own form of NSDR, really. Mind drifts use a concept called self-generated optic flow that is used in motor activities like walking, running, or cycling. It essentially means everything in your vision is just passing by and you're not really focused on any one particular thing. It's pretty much just a very passive focus. This is the opposite of a tight window of focus you would use in focusing at a screen or a book. So during self-generated optic flow, your amygdala, which generally releases adrenaline and creates alertness, shuts down, and this becomes a form of rest for the mind to initiate neuronal rewiring. So these can be particularly useful because we don't always have the chance to do an NSDR after our learning session, but by doing mind drifts, you still will have the learning benefits attached.